Yeah, okay. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. As you see, we are about to eat our egg sauce, pawpaw sauce. Okay, this is pawpaw and yam sauce. Okay, so come and join us and watch how we prepare our pawpaw or ripe pawpaw sauce with yam. Okay, this is on my YouTube channel. We prepare it.
Beautiful people, thank you for joining us. If you are just seeing us for the first time, we want to thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this video. For our returning subscribers, thank you very much for always watching our video and always returning. Yes, commenting, giving us not just nice comments. We say very big kudos to you. So thank you very much. Beside here, we also have our local wine. Okay.
Yes. Local wine.
Yeah, this is our local wine. So, Manuela. Very nice. So, Manuela, let me. So, we're about to eat our.
This is yam, wine. Yam.
So, beautiful people, you are invited.
Yeah, Philip, Manuela eats now.
Thank you, Jesus, for this.
Thank you, Jesus. We bless this food. Lord of Jesus. Come and join us. See now. Oh, we want this one. Okay. Yeah, take. Oh, drum.
This is another way of eating pawpaw.
With mackerel fish. It's nice.
Wow.
Local wine and blood tonic. Fast blood tonic.
Don't put hand in your eye though. Like,
Share.
comment. Have you finished it?
This green. This one.
This meal.
Be careful.
What? Beautiful people, all I can say is
Wow, this one. Very.
Philip, what do you want? Eat. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Philip says subscribe.
Subscribe for
Man, say bye bye.
bye bye. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Help us to share our video, please.
See you in the next video. Bye bye. Mwah.